Yeah.
Here we are. Looks like elevator 3 is out of service.
You guys shenanigans all the time.
A lot of times the elevators don't work.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
These are Dover T4, so
Looks like these are actually relay logic.
yeah. No, they're T4 controllers.
So is that light not working on that?
Yeah,
Oh, it's not working on that side.
The lights don't like to work. They've been getting
No,
replaced.
these are composite, Nathan. These are relay, yeah.
I'm gonna go check
It flashes
in
between
at,
floors.
HR.
Alright, yeah, just text me.
Yeah, I'll be over here.
Yeah, text me when you're done. Nice freaking full ride. Are you going up?
See?
Yeah.
No.
Sorry, I'm just doing a
They
project.
keep on moving.
Have a good day.
Thank you. So,
Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
6.
Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Oh look, they replaced the bezel for this button and it doesn't match the color. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Capacity's 5,000 pounds. Get a quick look at this panel. Tendon buttons with the old contacts too. Anyway, that's gonna be it.